But that's actually
Yes.
it's a very moving moment, I think, in the film, where Aris's character realizes that maybe no one remembers him, or no one's going to come for him. And I think that's something that film really deals with, and I think it's something that a lot of people probably have been thinking about over the course of the last 12 months in particular, is that, does anyone remember me? And if no one remembers me, do I exist? You know, and how do I exist without those connections to people? Like, are we a product? Do we exist in other people's memories? You know, so even though the memories that he's creating in the film, or trying to reform or reforge an existence, they're quite commonplace. I found the film quite profound on that level, you know, in its analog way.
Well, Christos, you wrote the film before the pandemic, and yet the pandemic has made the film very powerful in different ways that you didn't plan. How do you feel about that?
For sure, I think that there are elements that are maybe more recognizable right now to the audience, that they're living in a pandemic situation. I mean, elements like isolation, uncertainty about the future, loss, loneliness. But I hope that the topic of memory is something timeless, and that it will work maybe in a few years, or I don't know when. And also, yes, I hope that this paranoia with pandemic will leave from us very, very soon, and it will stop, and we will return to normality. And also something else is that
Φτάσαμε στο τέρμα. Σε ποια στάση κατέβαινες?
Η αμνησία εμφανίζεται πλέον ξαφνικά, χωρίς προειδοποίηση.
Ωραίο μήλο είναι αυτό.
Μπορείς να κάνεις κάτι διαφορετικό.
Σε μια ανακοίνωση που μόλις μας ήρθε από το νευρολογικό νοσοκομείο.
Νέα ταυτότητα.
Θα σου τα εξηγούμε στις ηχογραφήσεις. Μην ανησυχείς.
Και θυμήσου να βγάλεις μια φωτογραφία όταν βγεις. Αυτά.
Ένα λεπτό και στα δίνω.
Μπορείς να με βγάλεις και εμένα μία?
Έχεις κάνει περισσότερα από μένα. Εσένα στο νοσοκομείο δεν σε αναζήτησε κανένας?
Όχι. Κανείς δεν ήρθε.
Πού μένεις? Εδώ λίγο πιο πάνω, στο 135. Όχι, συγγνώμη. Στο 8 μένω, όχι στο 135.